see how much is on the floor?
See how much what?
Snow on the ground.
Yeah. Too much.
It's too much for one day.
It's too much for one day, exactly. But start now or during the night?
Like in the morning.
But is it a snowstorm?
Yeah.
Yeah? Gente, snowstorm em português é tempestade de neve.
Tempestade.
Em português.
Come on, dude. Thank you.
Gente, as ruas mudam completamente. Say hi, Maribel. Não dá nem pra abrir a janela. Olha a janela. Muito maneiro.
You like it? I go. I don't like the snow anymore.
In your first snow, how was your first snow? Did you stay excited like me now?
Yeah. Yeah, I was excited. That was the first time I saw snow wasn't this much.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And this is nothing.
It's nothing?
No,
Or joke?
no, I'm not joking. I'm being honest.
But I mean, how worse it
It
will be? Yeah, it can be.
very worse. Like you don't see the cars.
Nothing.
No. Like we can be here and we don't see the cars going because the snow is going all over the place that you don't see them.
Probably in January, you mean, or not?
Depends the type of store. Like when I was in Webster and I couldn't see the cars too much because there is more windy, so the snow is blowing all over the place.
But now it's wind and snow at the same time.
Yeah, that could be worse. We might need a snow brush.
É isso aí, gente. Daqui a pouco eu filmo mais um pouquinho. Ok? Bye!